If you're encountering a model deployment error on SageMaker, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check model artifacts. Ensure that the model artifacts are correctly uploaded to the specified S3 bucket. Verify that the path to the model artifacts is accurate and that the files are not corrupted. Step 2. Review IAM permissions. Confirm that the IAM role associated with your SageMaker instance has the necessary permissions to access the S3 bucket and any other resources required for deployment. Update the role if needed. Step 3. Validate endpoint configuration. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Inspect logs for errors. Access the CloudWatch logs associated with your SageMaker deployment. Look for any error messages or warnings that can provide insight into what might be causing the deployment failure. Step 5. Redeploy the model. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, try redeploying the model. Delete the existing endpoint and create a new one, ensuring that all configurations are set correctly. By following these steps, you should be able to quickly identify and fix the model deployment error on SageMaker. If issues persist, consider reaching out to AWS support for further assistance.